I don't know where they are.
Jason, say hi. I got a video camera. I'm gonna tape you. I got you.
Get behind me, Jason.
You don't know how to do it. You don't know how to do it. Exactly. Yeah, I think it's almost how much you do.
Okay. Oh, there they are.
Yeah. You know how to shoot.
Okay, kids, come here.
I keep stepping on little molehills.
Everybody grab a balloon and hold on to it.
Here, you can be my balloon. I'll be your balloon.
Want me to show you know how to do it?
Jason, come here. Okay, here we go. There's the bag.
Oh, I know what they're gonna do.
Do what?
Okay, stick your pin
really?
tied around your ankle, however tight or loose you
Oh, wait,
want.
let me get mine on.
Wade, you need some help?
Where did you come up with this
Tie it
game?
around you.
It's actually about.
The interwebs.
Actually, it's something we did at work.
You did it at work?
You remember doing this, Amanda?
Probably, yeah. I don't like popping
Was it a
balloons.
buzz?
Yeah.
And I was looking online at different party games and I saw this. Okay, cool. Oh, you don't know how to tie?
Oh! We've had a casualty.
Do you love me? Do you love me?
Hey, can I put Russian roulette with this
Okay,
thing?
everybody please be still with the balloons. This is the
very
last
strange
one.
feeling.
Yeah, just leave that on. I'll get it off in a minute.
Here. Put these.
What are those?
I'll put them right here for now.
They're balloons.
Okay, everybody, come here and listen.
What are those?
Everybody. All right, what we're going to do, when I say go, everybody's going to try to...
I have my own.
That was the last one, you're out. All right, you're going to try to stomp on your own or on other people's balloons.
Your own.
Keeping them from hitting yours. The last one to have their balloon left wins the prize.
It's like
Wait.
balloon
Okay?
pop on Mario
Easy on the
Kart.
Yeah.
little ones.
Okay.
Okay.
No shoving.
Go.
Oh, crap. I was trying to back up so I could see them all.
Wade and Emery. Everyone.
I popped my own.
Wade got yours.
I was sure it's after one.
Emery wins.
I don't
Joey?
think this counts.
It's still tied. It popped.
I don't think this counts. I accidentally stepped on my own.
That counts.
Jason too. Somebody stepped on mine.
Okay, I can cut those off when we get inside.
Stop
Please.
shooting us.
Please pick up the bullets. Let's go inside.